Beta, have a look on illustration number 17. Akshara and Samiksha are in partnership. Two partners are there, Akshara and Samiksha. Business is being carried from the property owned by Akshara. Akshara have given a property to the firm on a monthly rent of 5,000. Now this question is related to rent paid to a partner. I already told that for three things we have to prepare profit and loss account. Means for manager commission, for interest on loan to a partner, and for rent to a partner we have to prepare a profit and loss account. The monthly rent was 5,000. So the total rent, we have to prepare profit and loss account, then appropriation account. Rent to Akshara, 5,000 into 12 means 60,000. We have to pay rent to Akshara, 5,000 monthly means 60,000. And after this, Akshara is entitled to a salary of 4,000 per quarter. Now salary etc. will be given in profit and loss appropriation account. Only for three things we prepare a profit and loss account: manager commission, rent to a partner, and interest on loan to a partner. So for rent to a partner we have prepared profit and loss account. Appropriation, in appropriation we will write salary to Akshara. Salary to Akshara, 40,000 per quarter. Quarter means we are paying 4 times in a year, and 40,000 in a quarter means 1,60,000 yearly. Annual salary will be 1,60,000. Now Samiksha is to get a commission of 4% of net sale, and which were 50 lakhs. Sales are given. We just have to use the sale for calculating commission of Samiksha, and nothing more will be done with sales. Sales we are not supposed to use it. Sales are just used for calculating the commission of Samiksha, 4%. So 4% of 50 lakhs will be 2 lakh. 4% of 50 lakh will be 2 lakh, and commission will also be given in appropriation account. To commission to Samiksha, 2 lakh rupees. Nothing is left now. Rent we have paid to Akshara, and for giving rent we have prepared profit and loss account. 5,000 per month was the rent we have calculated for the whole year. Salary to Akshara was 40,000 quarterly. Quarterly means we have to multiply it with 4. So it will be 1,60,000. The commission of Samiksha was to be calculated on sales. 4% of 50 lakh is 2 lakh. This was the commission. Now, after this, the net profit of the year was 6 lakh only. Net profit of the year was 6 lakh, and you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended on 31st March 2018. So, only profit and loss appropriation you have to prepare. No capital account will be prepared. So, here you will write by profit of the year was 6 lakh, and out of 6 lakh, 60,000 is your rent. Here you will write to net profit. If out of 6 lakh you have paid rent 60,000, the remaining profit is 5 lakh. It will be written here and distributed over the calculus by 5 lakh 40,000 you are having for partners, and you have already paid. And out of 5 lakh 40,000, if you will deduct these two amounts, you will be getting the remaining. This is your remaining profit to be distributed among Akshara and Samiksha in their profit sharing ratio. This ratio is not given in the question at all. It is only said that Akshara and Samiksha are in partnership. Business is being carried on in the property of Akshara, so also. Nothing is said about the ratio. If no ratio is given, then the profit will be divided equally among the Very easy question. Profit we have written here. 5,000 monthly rent means 60,000 of the year we have given, and out of that we have taken profit 5,40,000. Out of 540 we have paid salary to Akshara for 40,000 per quarter means multiplied with 4, and 2 lakh we have given commission to Samiksha, 4% of the sales, and sales were 50 lakh. So after deducting these two appropriations from the profit, 180 was the remaining profit, and we have divided between Akshara and Samiksha in equal ratio. Now solve sums up to 17. Thank you.